Look at a clock. Watch the second hand tick forward. 1 second, then the next, then the next. Your entire life has been built on a single terrifying assumption that time is a straight line. You believe that the past is gone, the present is happening right now, and the future is some blank, empty space waiting to be created by your hard work and your struggles. You believe that if you want a better life, you have to walk there, step by painful step, through the slow, agonizing mud of time. What if I told you that this linear progression of time is the greatest illusion in the human simulation? What if I told you that from the perspective of quantum mechanics and astrophysics, your future, the exact reality where you have the wealth, the perfect health, the ultimate freedom, has already happened? It is already finished. And the only reason you do not have it yet is because you are playing the game on a dial-up connection, waiting for the universe to buffer, when you could simply skip to the end of the code. To understand how to execute a true quantum leap, to collapse time and jump into your desired reality instantly, you must first understand how the rendering engine of time actually works. Albert Einstein shattered classical physics when he introduced the concept of space-time. In the realm of advanced physics, there is a widely accepted model called the block universe. Imagine a DVD movie. Every single scene, from the opening credits to the final climax, exists simultaneously on that disc. The end of the movie already exists at the exact same moment the beginning of the movie exists. But when you put the disc into a player, the laser can only read one single frame at a time. The laser is your consciousness. Your consciousness moves through the block universe, illuminating one slice of space-time and calling it now. But the future frames, the frames where you are a master of your reality, where your bank account is full, where your trauma is healed, they are already printed on the disc. The mystic Neville Goddard famously stated, "Creation is finished." For decades, people thought he was speaking in metaphors. He wasn't. He was speaking astrophysics. The quantum field contains all infinite possibilities, not as ideas, but as fully rendered parallel physical realities existing right now. You are not a builder constructing a new life from scratch. You are a radio tuning into a frequency that is already broadcasting. So why are you stuck waiting? Why does it feel like your manifestations take months or years or never arrive at all? Because you are trapped in the illusion of causality. You have been programmed to believe that A must happen before B can happen. You believe you must work the terrible job for 5 years to save the money, to start the business, to eventually be free. You are forcing the laser of your consciousness to read every single boring, painful frame of the movie in sequential order. You are insisting on the struggle. You are addicted to the distance between where you are and where you want to be. But if all frames exist right now, you do not have to walk the bridge. You can fold the space between the 2 points. This is a quantum leap. A quantum electron does not travel through the space between 2 orbits. It disappears from one orbit and instantaneously reappears in the next. It does not traverse the space. It shifts its energy state, and the location changes automatically. You must do the same. You must stop trying to manipulate the physical, 3D world to get what you want, and instead manipulate your internal frequency to match the frame of the movie where you already have it. This is the mechanical secret behind the law of assumption. Most people try to use manifestation to attract something they do not have. But from a quantum perspective, wanting something is the exact frequency that pushes it away. If you are sitting in your room, desperately hoping and wishing and praying for a new reality, you are broadcasting a very specific line of code to the universe. You are broadcasting, "I do not have this." And the universe, which is a flawless, impartial mirror, reflects that code back to you perfectly. It renders a reality where you continue to not have it. You remain stuck in the waiting frame. To quantum leap, you must sever your emotional attachment to the illusion of time. You must bypass the how and the when. If you want to experience the reality of abundance, you cannot figure out how it is going to happen. The moment you try to figure out the how, you trap yourself back in linear time. You must go directly to the end. You must assume the state of the wish fulfilled. You must close your eyes, disconnect your senses from your current, lagging 3D environment, and step into the body of the avatar who has already won the game. What does it feel like to be that version of you? How do they breathe? How do they walk? Do they worry about tomorrow? No, because they already have it. You must generate the profound, tear-inducing emotion of absolute relief and gratitude right now in the darkness of your own mind. You must feel it so intensely that your brain biologically cannot tell the difference between the thought and the physical event. In that moment of peak emotional coherence, you have snapped the laser of your consciousness to a new frame on the DVD. You have shifted timelines. And here's where 99% of people fail. Here's where they get thrown back into the matrix. They open their eyes, they look around their bedroom, they check their bank account, and they say, "It didn't work. Nothing changed." The moment you look at the physical world for validation, you crash back into the old timeline. You must understand that the 3D physical world is dense matter. It is a slow, heavy hologram. It has a rendering lag. When you quantum leap in your consciousness, the physical world takes a moment to compile the new code and update the screen. During this 3D lag, your only job is to hold the new frequency with cold, ruthless, psychopathic discipline. When the old reality tries to test you, when the bill comes, when the rejection happens, when the fear flares up, you must look at it and laugh. You must treat it like a ghost. You must say, "I see you, but you are a dead frame from an old movie. I do not live there anymore." You refuse to give the old reality your emotional reaction. You starve it of your energy. And because you starve it, it must unrender. Stop waiting for time to pass. Time is a tool you use to experience a reality you have already chosen. Choose a different one. Assume the state of the end. Walk through your day with the quiet, dangerous confidence of a player who has already seen the end credits and knows they won. The future is not approaching you. You are catching up to it. Stop walking. Start leaping. The timeline is ready. Execute the shift.